coffee's fun. Absolutely love coffee. Hi everyone, this is Ishi coming at you with a 3-minute makeup video, which is as simple as really literally 3 minutes. It's just I'm going to keep talking, so it's going to take a little bit more time. So I work 8 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock in the evening, and if my makeup stays, so can yours. So without further ado, let's begin. Straight with my concealer, Tower 28. This is the best concealer ever. It gives you good coverage and it is amazing. I'm not going to put foundation. I have lots of dark circles, as you can see. It's a little bit there, a little bit here, fine lines around my mouth, and pretty much that. I go in and remember, we just dab, because if you swipe, you actually kind of swipe the product away. I don't put much on my forehead. Okay, then I go with my foundation brush, just so that it's nicely blended. Eyeliner, whichever you like. And then I just take my finger and I blend. There you go. That's all. Don't have to be perfect. Just blend it up. That's it. Half of your work's done. Okay, I've got a lot of jungle going on in my eyebrows. Let's tame them. For that, let's do Essence Fixing Brow Gel. Now, let me tell you, this is one of the best brow gel I've ever found. It disciplines them really well and it stays budge proof the entire day, so it's gonna work on you too. So here and then I just eyes done, the brows are in place. Now the best part, again, Essence color changing lip and cheek oil, and I tell you, this is a game changer. That's all you need. This on the lips, this on the cheeks, you are done. Done. Let's try this. You can use a lip liner, that's not an issue. It will change the color that best suits your complexion really well. Take that, dab, see the color changing? But gotta be quick here. And then just blend. I'll give you a nice flush of color. What do you think? Isn't it lovely? Oh my god, I love this. And then sometimes, actually all the times, I like to go. See? All the time, just, God, I love this. And then that's it. You wanna go, throw in a bit on the forehead to like marry things together. Go for it, your wish. But that's it, that's all I do. Isn't that amazing? Oh my Lord, have mercy. That's my 3-minute makeup done. But here's the catch. Honey, so once you're done your makeup, this is what you need to do. Any setting powder is a must. What setting powder does it? It kind of locks in whatever makeup, especially a concealer. This is Hudabeauty. Take the excess and just go on to the places where you don't want the shine. I like my shine up here, here, so I'll leave that on. So just around my eyes where the concealer is, mainly T-zone. And then comes the setting spray, which is again a must. Gives you more hydration, gives you a little bit glow, and all your makeup doesn't move. So very important step. Do it. Any setting spray is good, but this is a benefit for professional. I will link everything down. And that's, my friends, is a 3 minutes makeup. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. So until next video, take care of yourselves. Keep smiling, keep laughing. Love you all.